Today we discuss the tips to develop interest in Quran memorization, embracing the Quran, spiritual depth, cultural impact, and the art of memorization. In the heart of spiritual practice, Quranic memorization isn't just about retaining words, it's a journey of the soul. Creating a supportive environment is crucial. It starts in our homes and extends to our communities, nurturing a love for learning. Welcome to a journey of making Quran memorization not just easier but truly engaging. Imagine transforming study sessions with games that challenge and inspire. Quizzes that test your knowledge, making every lesson a thrilling. Memorization starts with breaking down verses into manageable segments, making it easier to remember each word and its meaning. Technology bridges traditional learning with modern convenience, offering innovative tools to support your memorization journey. Quran memorization apps provide personalized learning experiences, allowing you to track progress and review efficiently. Consistency and patience. Stress the importance of consistency and patience in the journey of Quran memorization. Offer practical tips and advice on how students can stay motivated and overcome challenges throughout the memorization process. Reward system. Introduce the concept of a reward system to incentivize and recognize students' progress in Quran memorization. Discuss different ways to implement rewards, such as certificates, prizes, or acknowledgement of achievements, to motivate students.